Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to open multiple different websites with just one click in a web browser in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open a notepad on your respective Windows computer, and in the notepad you need to type some commands. So just type this @ and type echo space, type off. Now hit enter. Once again hit enter again, and now type start space. Now give the website link that you want to open. So in my case, say I will give the Google website, www.google.com. Once again hit enter and type again start www. Say I want to open the Bing website. Again, I want to open one more website. Just type again start space www.duckduckgo website.com. So after adding all the websites on this notepad, what you need to do is say just click on this file and click on save as. So say I will give a name, a file name, websites. You can give any name, and you need to add a extension .bat. You can give the file name any name. You can give any name whatever you like, but the extension should be .bat. And say I will save it in desktop. I will just click on save. So it will create a batch file, right? So let me minimize this. Now just double left click it, this batch file. Wait for a few seconds. Voila! Now you can see here the three different websites which I have put on my notepad. So you can see here Bing, Google, as you can see, and DuckDuckGo website is being opened on a single click. So it's opening in the Edge browser, which is the default web browser on most of the Windows 10 or 11 running computers. So if you want to open it on the other browsers like Chrome, then still you can do it. So for this, just let me delete this file again firstly, and let us open Notepad again. So just type the same thing. So just you need to add here, just after the start, you need to add the browser name. Say I want to open it with Chrome, so I'll just put a Chrome. So if you want to open it with a Firefox, then just type here Firefox. So I'll just add here Chrome again, and here to Chrome. And once you are done, just click on the file and click on save as. I'll give the same name, websites, and put an extension .bat. Click on save, and we have created a batch file again, but this time this batch file will gonna open all this website link in the Chrome browser. So let me show you by opening this. So double left click it, wait for a few seconds. Voila! Now you can see the Chrome web browser is being loaded. So this is a Chrome web browser, and all the websites which I have loaded is being open at the same time in the Chrome web browser. So this is the way how you can open multiple different websites with just one click in a web browser in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.